Here's a delicious meal for all you seafood lovers. It's a simple seafood stew with fish, shrimp, mussels, potatoes, and fennel. First, make a base for the stew. It relies on tomato. I really like to add a little saffron to this dish, but it is expensive, so you decide what you want to do. You can prepare your seafood while the stew base is simmering. I'm using cod here, but any fish you like will work. Peel and devein your shrimp, or buy it already peeled and deveined. Scrub the mussels and remove the beard if there is one. Don't use any mussels that are already open. Add the fish to the pot for 5 minutes and then add the shrimp and mussels for another 5 minutes. After cooking, discard any mussels that don't open during the cooking process, and at the last minute, stir in the anise-flavored liqueur, Pernod, Pastis, Sambuca. This really enhances the flavor of the stew and the fennel. The orange zest at the end gives it a nice burst of flavor too. This is not your ordinary seafood stew, but a really elegant Provençal style dish with some delicious flavors. Give it a try.